So here's something I've wanted to do for a while on this trip. Let's get the train from St Erth to St Ives. Apparently it's spectacular. So this is St Erth train station, an old train station. Looks really good. There's our train over there, but there's no way we're legging it and making that. It's going in 30 seconds. It looks quite big though. Oh no, it's about yeah, nay. Island. Huh. Old train that, innit? Well, we need a door to land here. Oh, it's going to be that middle bit. Oh, no, we are. There's a little train. They'll let everyone off first, though.
Yeah.
Just stand back. Oh, no. That's his driver's door, isn't it? Yeah, look, he's got there's a little one here, look. Let's get in this. You know what, I'll stand up by this door, mate. I think stay here, Justine, you know. Go on. Get up there, you get one, okay. I'll just see you get in. By the window, Joseph. Yes, yeah. Yeah, go on. People just get next to us, can't we? Well done, Joseph. Right down there. See today we were down there. You remember I said walk up to the corner? That was the corner, yeah. That was a brilliant train journey, that. I have no idea where we were going from here, by the way. So, look at this. Fabulous. Why would you come to Cornwall and get a boots meal deal? I think. Yeah, like up here. Zombie horde. What's this little thing? Jump up here on the left, look. Got a beer garden here. Yeah. Let's have a drink. Yeah. Pretty cool in the church grounds, isn't it? Having a little bar. Yeah. Said it was a bit beyond Steads, didn't I? Yeah, it's busy in the little streets and stuff. Yeah, come on. Let's have a little walk along for a bit. Now I know why I come here. This coastline is fucking amazing. That's that one for me, Jose. Is that the right size or not? Yeah. 60 centimetres.
That one's 58.
How much are they? So you go in and buy it then? No, I think I like that colour. Yeah. So when in Rome and all that, I've joined the Swatter Brigade now. Cheerio. Does that mean I've got to eat pasties and pot of cream scones and all that jam now and drink scrumpy? Fucking monsters to suck there nearly fucking pushing me over. Right wing up here, yeah. Come to Cornwall, he said. Come on, let's go up here. Oh, don't want to spoil their photo. Oh, she wants to say you're making me look fat, was she? Right. I reckon. But she'll get squashed. Oh, this looks exciting. Whoosh. Windy this side though. windy, innit? What is it? The gallery? It's good, that. Justine just tell me how much she likes Cornwall. Not. You don't like the busy Cornwall, do you?
No. You should do okay.
It's just I'm alright with crowds. I think it's because you're small.
It's got 27-inch legs, like, it does not, does it?
No.
You should let me hold like a queen.
Do it, you can't hear it unless my mic's picking you up like
Take me through the streets on it.
like Cleopatra or something.
I would think I'd enjoy it then. Do you want me to take the bag?
Yeah, I'd like this, wouldn't he? It's big, isn't it? That church was lovely. It smells of incense.